Hey guys, I got bored, so let's play Flappy, Mlg Flappy. Now get wrecked. Not ready, wrecked. I meant wrecked, not ready. I meant wreck. Okay, that's stuff. What did it? Yeah, panda, haha. Damn, son. Okay. And I suck at this, I do. Oh, a text sample. A self-loading text sample.
Damn, son.
I suck at this, don't I? Ah! Sonic! I got Sonic! Nothing. Ah! Sonic! What? WTF so fast?
Damn, son.
Okay, I suck at this. Ah! Ads! Okay. If that's... We're back. Ads suck. Doritos! Five Nights at Pangus. Still play that game. Pangus. I have my voice sounds raspy. Or raspy like. Oh, text sample! Good job, you.
Damn, son.
Almost got the Illuminati.
Damn, son.
Damn. Oh, maybe a triple. Oh. Okay.
Damn, son.
Go, we're going to... Kidding me. Game of War. Yeah, really? Oh, cool. I can really do that. They're actually letting me actually...
Damn, son.
Okay. It was just a short video. And as always, hi. Bye. Bye.